Today we're at Bridgewater College to demonstrate how to plant acorns and seedlings so we can grow oak trees. There are many species of oak native to the state of Virginia. One of our largest and most long-lived is the white oak, but there are many other species that would be smaller, so make sure you check out which species you want to get as you start to think about finding acorns and maybe some seedlings. So let's do some digging. I'm digging my hole a bit larger than what I need for my seedlings, so I've got plenty of loose soil. One of the things about acorns is when you gather them, you can't look at them and tell if they are good or not. So you want to do a quick float test. So in this case, the floating acorn is no good. It's been damaged by insects or fungus and it will not turn into a tree. So we're going to leave that one and we're going to plant the one that sank. We just want to be a couple of inches deep and you just want to put the soil back around it. The one thing you might have to do is protect from squirrels and chipmunks. You either need to put these in a place where you don't have wildlife who will eat your acorns, or you can put a screen device over them to protect them. Now let's plant our seedling. Oaks, once they've germinated from the acorn, are going to have a nice root system and then this leaf material above ground. This will probably grow as fast or better than a tree from a nursery because it has the right ratio of root to leaf. Plants in the nursery are often, their roots are highly trimmed to keep them in their pots or in their burlap. So let's make sure we get this in at the right level. We want to make sure the root and its crown is in the ground while the leaves remain above ground. And I just want to make sure I rake my dirt back gently. Firming it up. So enjoy, try this at home. Make sure you float your acorns so you know which ones are good so you don't have a whole lot of duds in the ground. And enjoy growing your oaks because it's a multi-generational plant. You'll enjoy it, your children will enjoy it, and so will your grandchildren.